What is up, humanoids? We're sort of, maybe, kind of getting back to normal after all the madness. We got these new blue tile hats in. Kind of cool. South Carolina on the side, right? Yeah, there you go. New blue tile hats. Thank you guys for all the crazy amount of support in the last couple weeks. I know it's been chaos and hectic, and we're kind of behind on all the other things that we normally do. So let's get cracking on this Accel Kevlar. Accel Kevlar coming out for Accel Day. That's 5/19. May 19th is always Accel Day. That's the letter E is number 5 in the alphabet, and the letter S is number 19 in the alphabet. Hence, yeah, Accel Day. Here we go. This is it. This is your Kevlar S Accel by S Footwear. You got your Kevlar detail right there and solid black. You have your traditional S Accel outsole on this thing, also all in black. But here you go, guys, the bulletproof shoe. How do you feel about that? Please do not shoot yourself in the foot while wearing these shoes, because if you do, you're a giant idiot and you will crush every bone in your foot. That's all, but here you go. Black on black detailing on this shoe. So you guys know Kevlar was invented in like 1971, and it was initially invented to replace the belts in racing tires. But you guys know that it is used now in today's market for most famously bulletproof vests. But here is your S Accel. Originally came out in 1995, and this is it. These guys right here are limited to 300 pairs and only available in 18 shops in the US. So very, very limited. So here, right here on the sock liner of your insole, you have your S branding and your numbering system right there. This is number 31 of 300. If you have number 5 or number 19, reach out to S Footwear, because you're gonna get something very special. I think a one-of-a-kind S Accel from the archives. So definitely check this thing out. You're gonna want to hit on either number 5 or number 19. So yeah, a cool little bonus point or hidden Easter egg in the whole release. But there you go, guys. This is your S Accel in Kevlar. This thing is bulletproof. Don't shoot yourself, but it's definitely gonna hold up. Yeah, this stuff is used for firefighting suits and cut-proof gloves, all the good stuff, everything that is gonna protect you. So now it's gonna protect you from ollie wear and kickflip wear, etc. So yeah, there you go. Your S releasing in skate shops on Accel Day, May 19th. Only at 18 shops in the US. 300 of them made, fits true to size. It's $100. Amazing value for $100. If you love the Accel, this Kevlar Accel is probably exactly what you need. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Accel Day coming in hot, May 19th. That's Tuesday, I believe. So we'll see you there, bluetilesc.com. For now, all the best. Love Blue Tile. I think that's it. I think we got it covered, right? I'm probably forgetting something. But yeah. Peace. Goodbye.